Welcome you all for today's topic, isotopic effect in rotational spectra. Atoms that have different mass numbers are called isotopes. So, when a rotating molecule is replaced by its isotope, its reduced mass will be changed. Here, the interatomic distance between the atoms remains same. This gives a change in moment of inertia by the relation I is equal to mu r square. When mu change, I will be changed. This changing moment of inertia is inversely proportional to rotational constant, and this leads to change in rotational energy and hence the frequency separation between the lines. So, the frequency separation changes as del nu bar is equal to 2b. This change in frequency separation of a rotational spectrum due to the presence of an isotope is known as isotopic effect. The isotopic forms of same molecule are indicated as 1 and 2. The frequency of absorption line nu bar is equal to 2bj. The frequency of the isotopic form 1 nu 1 bar is equal to 2b1j, which is equal to 2 into h by 8 pi square I1c into j. Here the value of b1 is substituted here. The frequency of the isotopic form 2 nu 2 bar is equal to 2b2j. Here the value of b2 is substituted here. Then the change in frequency del nu bar is equal to nu 1 bar minus nu 2 bar. Here you substitute the value of nu 1 bar and nu 2 bar. Take common terms outside. And this is equal to hj by 8 pi square I1c into 1 minus I1 by I2. When you substitute I1 is equal to I, B is equal to h by 8 pi square IC, then we will get 2bj into 1 minus I1 by I2. Here the ratio I1 by I2 is equal to rho square. So 2bj into 1 minus rho square. This is the change of frequency. Therefore, the change of frequency is directly proportional to the rotational constant J. The effect of isotopic substitution in carbon monoxide molecule. When C12 is substituted by C13 isotope, the rotational spectrum is shifted. By measuring B and B dash values, it is possible to determine precisely the atomic weight of the atoms. The atomic weight of C13 was estimated as 13.007, which is within 0.02% of the best value obtained by other methods. This is the comparison of rotational energy levels and rotational spectra of C12O and C13O molecule. The first one is the energy levels diagram. Here there are two energy levels diagram. First one is for C12O and second one is for C13O. Here the energy levels are lowered in C13O because mass increases in C13O, so B decreases, which is inversely proportional to I, hence energy levels are lower. The last diagram is the rotational spectra of C12O and C13O molecule. Here, the rotational spectrum of C12O molecule is shown by blue lines, and that of C13O molecule is shown by red lines. Therefore, when C12 is substituted by C13 isotope, the rotational spectrum is shifted. And from this, B and B dash values are calculated, hence atomic weight of the atoms can be calculated. Thank you.